In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Facebook ads balance in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, keeping an eye on your Facebook ads balance is crucial to ensure your campaigns don't come to an abrupt halt due to insufficient funds. So let's dive right in and walk through this process step by step, making it as simple as possible. First things first, you'll need to navigate to your Facebook Ads Manager. This is the hub from where all your Facebook advertising magic happens. It's where you can create, manage, and track the performance of all your ads across Facebook's vast ecosystem. So, to get started, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Facebook Ads Manager. You can simply search for Facebook Ads Manager in your search engine, or log into your Facebook account and find the direct link to the Ads Manager from your homepage. Once you're in the Ads Manager, your next destination is the Account Overview section. This can be located quite easily from the dashboard menu. The Account Overview is your go-to place for a snapshot of how your advertising campaigns are performing, including spending, reach, and overall engagement metrics. But more importantly, for our purpose today, it's also where you can check your current account balance. Now, to get down to the nitty-gritty of checking your ads balance, you'll need to locate the Account Spending Limit link from within the Account Overview section. This is where Facebook allows you to set a maximum limit on your ad spend to ensure you don't exceed your budget. Clicking on this will take you directly to where you can view and manage your spending limit. Upon navigating to the Account Spending Limit area, pay close attention because this is where you'll find the golden nugget of information we're after: your current balance. You should see your balance visibly displayed right next to Account Spending Limit. This figure represents the available funds in your account to keep your ads running. Knowing this balance will help you plan your advertising spend wisely, ensuring your campaigns continue to run smoothly without interruption. It's important to keep a regular check on this balance, especially if you're running multiple campaigns or if your ads are set to run indefinitely. Running out of funds can cause your ads to stop, potentially losing you valuable engagement and conversions until the balance is topped up again. Now, while this process is quite straightforward, here are a few extra tips to keep in mind. Make sure your account's payment method is up to date to avoid any disruptions in your ad delivery. If you ever notice your balance getting low, you can always adjust your spending limit or add more funds to your account directly from the Account Spending Limit page. This preemptive approach ensures your campaigns remain active, reaching your target audience without a hitch. Furthermore, if you're working with a team, it's a good practice to regularly review these figures together. This ensures everyone is on the same page regarding budget allocation and campaign performance, making for more effective and efficient ad spending. To sum up, keeping an eye on your Facebook ads balance through the Ads Manager is a quick and essential task that should be part of your regular advertising routine. By following the steps we covered today, accessing your account overview, navigating to the Account Spending Limit, and checking your balance, you'll ensure your campaigns are always funded and ready to captivate your audience. And that wraps up our guide. I hope this video has been informative and helpful, making the task of checking your Facebook ads balance a breeze. Stay tuned for more tips and strategies to enhance your advertising efforts on Facebook. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content designed to help you make the most out of your digital marketing efforts. Happy advertising!